This video is sponsored by my favorite website creator, Squarespace, the best place to go when you want to get a domain or create a gorgeous website or an online store. Okay, let's trick the trends, shall we? How to look totally modern by using what we already have and only buying into the trends that are destined to become timeless pieces. You know I make anti-haul videos where I tell you which trends I won't invest in because they aren't long-lived enough. But what about the trends that we should invest in? How do we judge whether a piece will become a timeless classic or a wear 3 times and then give to charity because we're bored type of item? As I see it, there are 4 different criteria we can look at, 4 different questions we can ask ourselves before making a decision to spend. Is it a long-lived trend? Is it easy to style with the other items that we already own? Is it practical and comfortable? Is it sustainable? In my first anti-trends video, I do a more thorough explanation of these 4 criteria, so go take a look if you want, link in the description. Okay, now let's take a look at the trends this season and figure out which ones are worth investing in. So this season, the highly saturated, super colorful outfits are still a hot trend, but even though the all coral everything and the pea green Kermit the Frog cosplay looks are fun and all, I don't see them surviving into timeless territory. Luckily, there's another color on the fashion scene right now, and it's one of my all-time favorite colors, brown. Rich, dark, chocolate browns that are so modern and edgy, but still totally timeless. How do I know? Because long before this trend popped up this autumn, I've been wearing and loving items in exactly this shade of brown, and it looks amazing paired with other items in the color scheme, from rust and copper all the way down to light beige. Long-lived and easy to style, recommend. This time of year, every single year since the invention of yarn, the heavy knits are trending. The bigger the better. This season, the catwalks have been full of traditional Norwegian ski-inspired knits and chunky sweaters with sleeves so long they look almost like untied straitjackets. I am all about the jumpers, the chunkier the better. And considering that I am perhaps the woman with the longest arms on the planet, the longer sleeves the better for me. Scrunched up or just flopping loose, 2 long sleeves are so hot. Long-lived, easy to style, crazy comfortable, and especially sustainable considering you can get both the oversized shape and the super long sleeves by going into the menswear section in the vintage shop. By the way, if you want more anti-hauls and videos on trends that are worth investing in this season, do let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Everyone and their auntie has a puffer jacket by now. It seems like this is the cockroach of trends, completely indestructible, which is brilliant. Can you imagine if all hot trends were this long-lived? How sustainable that would be. And if you don't have one yet, it's super safe to invest. Puffers right now are modern in any type of shape, whatever type you already have. Cropped, belted, a long coat, a small one, huge one, quilted, patterned, it doesn't matter, they're all good. Whatever color you own, also all good. So hold on to that puff and feel warm and toasty all winter through. Again, comfortable, practical, and super easy to style. As a Swede used to real winters, I have to say, what a superb piece of clothing. Just like the puffer, the heavy boots are not going anywhere. Another one of those ridiculously comfortable and practical items that, if you get a good quality pair, will last you through many a cold and slippery winter. You see me wearing mine all through the year. I have both low tops and ankle-high boots from Rombaut, which is actually a totally vegan brand. Even though they are pricey, I use them seriously all the time, so for me the investment has been more than value for money. If you want to be super safe, go with vegan dogs. Stella McCartney also has great ones, and I also found out that last season's chunky Alexander McQueen low-top boots are vegan, but again, you know, they're all really pricey. A good idea is to wait for the sale and snatch them the moment they get reduced. The catwalks have been denim mad lately. Everything indigo is on trend. Accessories, jackets, and especially the super-sized jeans. And what a gorgeous silhouette, if you ask me. Although I'm sure many of you would disagree. It's a bit of an acquired taste, I have to say. But wait, are the super-sized jeans long-lived, you might wonder? Well, probably not. But denim in general is. And this season is all about the deep, clean indigo color, the most classic jeans color and the most gorgeous one. So if you're looking for new jeans, I would say stick with the darker medium wash. Never goes out of style because it is like the OG denim color. But what about the super-sized silhouette for those of you who have totally fallen in love with it, like I have? Again, easy to just pop into your second-hand shop and get the largest boy jeans you can find and just wear them on your hips, adding a belt if needed. The longer and slouchier, the better. You can find these pre-owned ones for next to nothing, they're sustainable, and if you get tired of the silhouette, you can donate them without having lost a ton of money. Because this is the whole reason I keep making these videos, so that we can together inspire each other to have fun and truly enjoy fashion and dressing ourselves, but at the same time be mindful and be kind to our wallets and our planet, and of course, our little furry friends. Okay guys, so I just realized that the timeless look I'm encouraging you to invest in right now is heavy knit jumpers with super-sized jeans and heavy boots with a boxy puffer jacket on top, all in brown. Sometimes I'm just too scandi for my own good, you know. Kidding aside, which of these trends, the deep indigo jeans, the puffer jacket, the chunky knit, the heavy boots and the warm chocolate brown color is your jam? Do you already own any of these items or are you looking to invest? I'm always on the lookout for a good chunky vegan knit, so do help a girl out if you stumble upon any super chunky sweaters, will you? Otherwise, I think I'm all good this winter. Quite happy with my wardrobe at the moment, so I'm not really going to invest that much. How about you? Also, if you want more anti-hauls and videos on trends that are worth investing in, do let me know by giving me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Hope you feel inspired and look forward to the fashion winter ahead. I sure do. Do you want to create a beautiful site, maybe start your own fashion blog? If so, you should definitely do it with Squarespace. They have great blogging tools to share your stories, photos and videos to make it easy to reach your audience. You can also auto-post your content to Twitter, Facebook or Tumblr and simply schedule your posts for them to be properly tagged and the descriptions and titles will show up correctly. You can of course add your social media accounts to your site so that it's easy for your readers to find you everywhere. Squarespace also have great traffic analytics so that you can see how many people are visiting your site, how long they're staying for and where they're coming from and what they're interested in, like fashion trends or maybe interior design, for example. So what are you waiting for? Go get your free trial today at squarespace.com and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/JennyMustard to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you guys so much for watching today and for being the best people. Seriously, love you lots. Puss puss and hej då!